I'm the old school lady. And the new one. The last time I see you talking that new boy coming.
I saw what? The boy is a new boy.
He's a new boy. Me, I'm the old boy.
I know you're the old boy.
Forget me.
He's reading. You know I love reading. You too, you love reading. So what's your problem?
You love him what?
I say I love how he's reading. I didn't say I love him. What is it?
Sometimes the way they talk, no, I don't believe you.
What is it? Are you jealous?
Why jealous? Me, I'm not jealous. What do you mean of jealous?
You're
I'm
not
not jealous.
jealous. So what is
Me,
it?
for mama, I think say you don't like that boy.
Me love that boy. He's not even my class. So why would I love him?
My problem is stop that boy and come to me.
I should come to you.
Yes.
As what? The boy is not my boyfriend. You are not my boyfriend. So what is it? I can see someone is jealous.
You can see what?
You're jealous.
No, I'm not jealous.
Jealous.
No, I'm not jealous.
But you're not my boyfriend.
No, you are not. You too.
So what is
you are
it?
not my girlfriend.
So what is it? Why are you
The
playing
way
me?
you did run about that boy.
I'm not running now, so I can't make friends. He's just my new friend.
Are you sure?
Stop, I beg. Don't do
Okay.
that.
You.
He's just a friend. So what
Okay,
is it?
well, let's go.
Let's go and find some.
Why are you so sad today? What is the problem? I have been calling you, are not picking my call, and you are not coming to school too. What is the matter? Tell me the matter. Or you have broken heart. What is going on? Tell me something.
It's not easy.
What happened?
It's not easy at all.
Why are you scaring me like that?
Why am I scaring you? You remember you told me you brought those 3 people to me.
Yes, that guy.
These 3 people, you see those 3 people? That last people was complaining to me about them.
Those guys.
And I told them I'm going to deal with them.
What have me cry? Give you vim, go and discipline them for me.
Go and ask her. Ask her. What those people do to me?
Yeah. So you did not do anything to them?
That Obolo guy. I don't find him so good.
Upon all this body, you are afraid of Obolo guy.
For all this body.
Why don't you show them the body?
Hey, madam. Look at what they do to me.
Let me see.
Yes.
Yeah. Then it's serious. Oh. These children, I thought they would be afraid of you, Grandpa.
Madam. They are not afraid of me. Oh. They are not afraid of me, people.
They did it to you. Hey, God. Upon all this body, they did it to you.
About
This body.
this body. The Obolo guy. Or some of them are sure.
Jesus Christ. When you may be able to move. So what happened? So what are you going to do right now?
What are you going to do right now? I don't have anything to do. I beg you. From now onwards, I have washed my hand from them. I beg you.
So right now you are resigning yourself.
Hey, I'm not resigning. So I should still be in this mess.
I hope you can show them some. You know what I'm talking about.
You will sit down. They even threatened me that if I tell somebody they are going to kill me.
Then let them report them to the police.
I beg you, please. I don't want any police inside.
Why?
That Obolo guy even threatened me, said if I mention any police name in this case, they are going to kill me.
Hey,
And they will even kill me too.
Jesus, I'm Pat.
We are apart.
Do you mention my name?
What? Did I mention your name?
So, I'm saying I'm ashamed.
It's not you that brought that issue to me.
I don't know that this thing will be serious like that. Oh.
I'm sorry. What's the problem?
Hey, then the thing is critical.
Madam, I beg you. From now on, I'm no more in this place again. From here, I'm going to the principal. She told the principal that I'm resigning. I want my resign letter. And one week in 5 days, no, I'm out of the school. From here, I'm going to the principal to go and speak to the principal that I want my resign letter. I'm out. They will come for you. Bye bye.
Oh, yes. And then I'm giving her question. These children, I fear for them. Oh, my who embracing, strong. Was who had to just someone or woody. Maybe frame where 2 for someone to move in here. Who tried to some baby? I mean, tea, yes, it's swag and make guy chain. I will be me. Hi, yes, sir. For me to die in this school, me too. I'm running away for my life.
I didn't say every day I make trim me one out to why as a trim them, I trim up, I mean, be a white boss. But yeah, I said we could nick a team. Nami pese meka. Na so akoye wunti a bisam sa se ne on say se me de meka. On se de bia me fi no. Ni para na mu me ni bi. Ye be di kura no e den e di man. Ni ba school ma na na ye fe ne dia ni ko ni bi na mai de ni. O se ya ni tina de bia obi hu na me ti ya na mai de. Dia ni ko ade akwa kuma 2 years. Yes, yeah, man. I'm going to be sure. I can't forget the whole school. Me 5 hours. Even teachers for be an 5 hours. My school. And you'll be back and met you. I'm going to be sure. I can't go there forget. And say, they forget. I'm going to be sure. When you be Kawakuma to your we are sure. Yes, I'm going to make us a 5 hours in a castle. Yes, you Kawakuma to your school, the whole school teachers will be having a 14. 5 hours. This one for what they hope to say like I'm practically to grab 5 hours. What they're very shy. We'll be declining on the mat. Go up more to your boss. Go up more to the share their go up more to that's all you see. Kawakuma 2 in 5 hours in a casa. I miss Kawakuma 2 years. And a casa. The red show baby. Kawakuma 2 years. Would you be only baby? More room 14. In the which number you shall one sign it to come. If you do be on 2 years, I'll be you. Me na make us 5 hours. Yeah, sure. 5 hours make us no mention. See my own ya. Me. So you come there do forget it and no crowd my mother say come me koto that been we so be the am kwana me to ma. Okay. The Canadian am go there forget it. Park in your money and go park in your man senior.
You did well. What is your name? Hey.
His name is Isaac.
Kasa na minti o kasa na wo kanu na.
Oh, I don't come here to fight with you. I don't come here to advise you. You see, the Rita told me say you are a good boy. That's why I come here to advise you. Yeah. Rita.
Isaac, what's wrong with you?
Madam, kasa na no
why are you behaving like this? What is it? Why are you shouting on us like that? What is it?
I don't know.
Why are you so rude and mean at the same time? What's wrong with you?
I don't know. We come here, you know something. Ghana, we have big face. And for the campus here, me and you and Rita, we are big stress. You know, why are you humble your temperature like that?
Him one will be a woman and over frame now between me for the guardians. I go.
No, the group you are joining is a bad group.
Oh.
Bad group. Who know better say a bad group?
It's not good for you. It's not take you anywhere. Why? What's wrong with you? Why do you change? Why do you change like this?
Meaning the medino be a woman now, a woman.
I told you if you need something, come to me. I'll help you.
Just ask them now.
It's your boyfriend. You are not sitting.
Next time, the moon nim nasa mo frame. Nas na mo kasa asa mo chire me home.
Isaac,
hey, what? Mama kana me sin o.
Now point.
You see.
Now kasa.
You see. You. I don't know what to say. You see, you follow the fucking boy.
He's a good guy. I don't know why he's behaving like that.
Every day you are follow the fucking boy.
He's not a bad boy.
You know the bad boys. He said I don't know what you anyway. Your friend say gangster group we. I'm catch on number. Then over here. I'm on your shoulder. They not do.
They're not doing
anything.
They're not doing anything. Calm down.
I'm not ready to die.
You will not die. What is it?
I'm not ready to die.
You're not. I crying. See you. If it is me, me, you be running your mouth, blah 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 blah. Look at you can't fight a small boy.
Small boy. This
Small
one be
boy.
small boy. It be small boy.
You can't fight a small boy. If it is me, you be shouting.
If you can't start thing we are talking about, no be.
It's not a gangster nothing. All we have to do is to go and beg them.
Me you know is am wo.
You not die. You not die.
Oh, the youngคนนั้นก็พอนะเจ้า
Let's go and beg them.
You brought every
Stop
day.
blaming me. Why are you blaming me? Someone have changed my fault.
Every day you come here.
Stop blaming me. Stop blaming me. Let's go.
Abo. Fast!
Oṣé mo
ọba sí ni àwọn àwọn tí a ṣe àyè madam fún yóò yóò fi àmì ní ọ̀nà wà á wọ́n sọ ọdún méjì yọ àwọn ọ̀yà àwọn ẹ̀nà àmì pẹ̀sẹ̀ náà ẹ̀sìn rẹ̀ ní àjọ àmì sọ ọ̀yà àwọn ẹ̀nà náà kẹsẹ̀ lóbi.
Abrante.
Yes boss.
Ẹ ti sẹ́.
Pàṣẹ yóò.
Ẹ fẹ́ ọ̀sẹ̀.
Ọwọ́ mi di Isaac.
Isaac.
Yeah boss.
Isaac, how about any only problem?
Oh.
This is what can be actually.
Wà kàn bí bí ewu bí àjẹrẹ mi.
Yes. Just mo chill de o yẹ bi a be ya no. Ye ku one pa. Bia bi. What you say? What could do?
Oh, it's right. Good put there some paint.
Ba.
Oh, it's
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ma bí sẹ́yìn náà mi fẹ́ wọ̀ mí.
Isaac mi wúyẹ. So how jìbì di ayé? Sẹ́dá mi kàchí wọn náà kọ́ àmúna tó yẹ.
Wọ́n bá di àtúnṣe àṣẹ. Àkókò náà ní ìhàn.
Yes sir, yes sir.
So the Isaac, the Wakaba, the Wakanina, don't want it to feel free, but don't want it to what's attracting you.
That's.
Àkókò náà.
Owó ìṣúró bí àwọn wá ẹ̀.
Isaac.
Okay, boss.
Bro,
Ati kasa.
Bro, ni actually.
Ari azi. Sasa mkacho sasa kwa matu ya na boss here. Don't be trying hadi ya nyalo kacho.
The catcher.
Ena usimedical kacho bi antu ni.
So what kind of things are no?
Mami. Papa. Mami. Ada yang do like now apa dia nasi ada. Mami. Papa.